Traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. Okay, so it's 22nd of September 2020 and time is 9:16 am. Now coming on to our watch list. So traders, today we are having BPCL, Coal India, JSW Steel, Kotak Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Tata Motors. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of all these stocks, and when I'll get any opportunity I'll update you. So now I'm pausing the video. So traders, I am seeing an opportunity in Tata Motors and I have placed a limit order for the sell side and it has been placed. Now we are waiting for it to get triggered. Okay, we will wait. But I am thinking now there are some chances that it may go downwards with a good momentum and our order might not get executed. But okay, we have placed our order. Okay, let us calculate. If we are placing our order with market price, our risk reward will get be not very good. So okay, we will wait for it to get executed. Okay traders, now let me tell you the logic which I am using today. So traders, I have drawn these two support and resistance line and this was yesterday's resistance. Okay, so when after crossing this it took some retracement from where, and after it is now coming downwards. But now I'm thinking that I have lost the trade, but it's okay, there should be no FOMO. We will get some more opportunities later. We will wait for one or two candles more. If we got our order executed, then we will be entering the trade. Otherwise now we will cancel the order. Okay traders, we will wait for maximum two candles more or three. Okay traders, so we are waiting. Now let me pause the video. When it will get triggered in 2-3, I will update you, or I will be watching for any another opportunity. So traders, as you can see here, our today's setup was very good and it is coming near to our target as well, but it's okay. Let me cancel the order, otherwise it might get executed here. Okay traders, trading setup was just perfect, but we were late to enter in the trade. It's totally fine. Now cancelling the order. Okay, so order has been cancelled. Now stop loss are also okay. So our orders has been cancelled, and you can see here traders, if we were in the trade we were getting a good profit and the risk reward was also good, but it's totally fine. Now we are looking for the next opportunity, and when I'll update you. So traders, here was also another opportunity. Now I'm thinking I'm again losing it, but then also I'm placing a limit sell order. If it gets executed, I want to sell JSW steel with price near here. So I have placed the order and this is our target, which is the next resistance drawn by me. So let's wait for it. The setup was perfect, but again we are trying to enter it in late. But okay, if we get executed then okay, otherwise next opportunity. So order has been placed, now waiting for it to get executed. No, I'm thinking we have again missed our trade. but okay, we will wait. If it get executed, I'll update you, or else we will look for another opportunity. So traders, as you can see, JW Steel also, we were not able to come into the trade at correct time, so now I'm exiting. Matlab I'm means I am cancelling the order. Okay, so I have cancelled it. It should get cancelled. Okay traders, so I have cancelled it. It will get cancelled, and I will update you for the next opportunity. So traders, as you can see, we missed both our opportunity. Now I am not having any stocks with pre-decided target and stop loss. The stocks which I was thinking to trade in has already given my targets, so I am ending my today's trading day. I will not trade in any stock. That was our today's trade. Hope you learned from my today video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.